Aalap wall, something that had to be done at a very large scale. And from the initial reference, getting the illustrations done, digitizing them, getting the right materials, just the installation system, working on the small things. It was like both this and the Chikankaari wall were actually more an exercise in maths and algebra. What units, how they fit.
Lucknow is all about that nazakat. And without losing that essence, translating the idea was quite on point.
Remember in the Chikankaari, the amount of times we had to go back and forth because the light was not sufficient, variations, all that. And I remember this one panic moment where we were given a date of the airport opening and we were still struggling with that. And I spent the whole day just sitting there trying one option after the other option. And then the client came on site and said, yes, finally done. And, then is really when we started. So it was an effort because all of them were pulled down, reworked and put back up. But, it was again one of those things that, problem solving on the fly kind of situation. While they were laying the check-in counters and the belts and all, the team had to go and install it the time in between. And the toughest part was because the belts had come in between, we could not roll the scaffolding. The entire scaffolding would come down, go back, get reinstalled for every small thing.
In terms of execution, they have been very, very impressed how well planned AKFD's installation process is. AKFD has always been reputed to do quite meticulous and precise work. Even a fastener being shown in a particular way, it's done to the dot. What we are hearing now is that it's being talked about across all airports.